Since ancient times, people have been looking for the best lifestyle, be it on basic necessities or overall health. Everyone wishes to achieve a perfect combination. Reversing time has been the dreams of many people. Technology was not as advanced and had many limitations in the past. Today, after years of research and the cooperation of technology, this is no longer a dream. Live cell therapy, the world's only proven effective method to reverse aging safely. To effectively recover a healthy physique can be traced back to 100 BC. Thanks to the advancements in medical technology, consumers can now rely on Riway's simple and effective live cell therapy, Purtier Placenta, to live longer and gain better health.
Every ingredient meticulously paired, specially selected to give you only the best for your health. Gathering, refining, transforming, cultivating. Your satisfaction is our determination. Harnessing performance-proven ingredients, combining advanced technology. Purtier Placenta 6th edition, elevating us to a whole new level of healthcare.
The effective all-rounded formula helps you achieve the 3-step body recovery process in one go. Protect, repair, and regenerate your body. Improving your body mechanics internally, revitalizing and giving a beautiful, youthful skin externally, reinvigorating you from the inside out, entitling you to enjoy youth again. Who says you cannot reverse aging, having a healthier life?
Giving you the best as always, double the care, transcending the passage of time.